Hi everyone, it's Jerry and I was just sent this adjustable workbench. I'm pretty excited to put this in my garage because I don't currently have a workbench in my garage, and this one looks pretty stout and pretty easy to assemble. I'm not going to actually show you the assembly of it because it's only a few pieces, but I did want to show you how it was packaged really well with foam, bubble wrap, and they put the instruction manual as well as any tools and bolts that you're going to need right on top. This is a solid wood table that does use a full metal design that is adjustable. And so let's get this thing put together and then we'll show you what it does. So I've got this assembled super easy. Had the two pieces on the side, two on the other side, and they bolted in the bottom, bolted together. These are adjustable feet using these knobs. I've got it on one of the lower settings, and the feet also are adjustable as far as height leveling. Again, this is a heavy duty solid wood top bench that I'm really excited to put in my garage. Now, in getting this set up, if you're going to want to utilize the adjustable feet, they simply just twist counterclockwise or clockwise until you can get it level. And then you do have this built-in power strip, which is really convenient here on the side. If you come around and look, you are going to want to have it, near enough that you can plug it in someplace, which I do. And then you do have the ability to turn it off and on. It gives you two 110 outlets on the side as well as some USB ports which are built in, which are really cool if you're going to charge like a phone or something while you're out here. So now that I've got this working, I'm going to show you here how this works here. You're going to plug this in, again, standard 110 on there. I've got some dirt on my workbench there, and I decided I'm going to use a power supply here to go get this turned on. Clean it up, works really well. This is a very sturdy bench. This holds up to 2,000 pounds. I mean, I know this doesn't demonstrate it real well because I only weigh about 200 pounds, but it's very stable, very sturdy, able to be worked on, and the fact that it's a solid wood top will allow you to go ahead and sand it down if you ever needed to do that, which is great. Really nice bench.